In a previous video, we exported the three kinds of group policy settings that you wanted to use for PolicyPak Cloud, and we've got them here just hanging out in exported form. Well, it's super easy to use with PolicyPak Cloud. There's two different ways you can get them uploaded. One is to click on the all group or a company group, and you can upload and link an XML here. So you can either choose the XML directly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Like I said, I've got it here under desktop, under export one, and I'm going to pick the security setting one, and we'll just consume it and we're done. So I'll just go ahead and click add, and that's one way to do it. You can just look at it that way, and we've now linked that security setting that renames the guest account over to the all group. And we can see that if we look at show policy settings, we're going to go ahead and see that we've renamed to PP guest. You can also click on your special group, and you can also upload and link a new XML here. So same idea, but instead of picking the file, if you wanted to, you can also look at it in XML format. And in XML format, you can copy this and just paste it, the guts right there. We'll go ahead and know what to do with it, and boom, just like that. Those admin template settings that we had in Group Policy Land, they just transfer right over here to PolicyPak Land. And for the last one, let's go ahead and take a look at it. We'll go to the shortcut one. We'll go ahead and edit and upload that guy. So go ahead and take that. We'll go over here to our all group. We'll go ahead and upload and link a new XML here. We'll go ahead and paste it. And that's it. We've taken our existing Microsoft on-prem group policy settings, and we've used them in PolicyPak Cloud. So let's go over here and see it work. This is a machine that's not yet enrolled into PolicyPak Cloud. Let's go ahead and double click on the cloud client. And once you do this, you'll get all the group policy settings from that special all group that we said. Let's go ahead and give this a second to catch up. Here we go. And remember, it's going to join that special all group. You could also have it automatically join your company groups if you wanted to, but in this quick demo, I'm just making it get to our special all group. And the first thing we're going to see here is that group policy preferences shortcut item show up. Boom, there's the shortcut item. And there we go. We can see that we're in the unassigned and also the all group. And let's go ahead and take a look at the remaining policy settings. So if we were to take a look at control panel here, if we were to take a look at the icons here, boom, there are just the two. We've reduced that. And if we were to take a look at what's going on in gpedit.msc here, let's take a look under computer side, Windows settings, go to security settings, local policies, security options, and look at that, we've renamed the guest account. And the best part is, back here in the editor, if you decide you want to make a change to any of these Microsoft settings or any PolicyPak setting, you just go ahead and you click it and click on Edit Policy, and we have full in-cloud editors where you can add any policy you want, any Microsoft admin template setting, any kind of security setting, most group policy preferences items, or you can modify the one that you've already uploaded. So instead of showing sound and date and time, if I just want to show sound, well, that's all you got to do. Go ahead and make your modification or add to it or whatever you want to do. Go back to your cloud machine. You can wait a little while for the cloud client to do its thing, or PP Cloud Sync. Okay, and this is going to catch up with the newly changed policies. And just like that, we've got it updated. Let's go ahead and give this a second to check it out. We'll go back to Control Panel, and there we go, just sound. So you take your group policy objects, export them, upload them for use in PolicyPak Cloud, and continue to keep them updated or edited in PolicyPak Cloud. No need to go back to the group policy editor for most things. Hope this video helps you out. Looking forward to getting you started with PolicyPak Cloud and PolicyPak Exporter real soon. Thanks so much.